Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Godzilla and Luigi from the Mario Brothers as one character. So let's get started right now. Alrighty, let's go over the mixture of Luigi and Godzilla. So let's do it. I'm going to go right over here into the face, and I am going to pull a line like so, kind of straight for Godzilla's snout, and I'm going to pull downward. And I want to already start with Luigi's mustache. So it's going to curve right here, line out like so, curve up, curve over here on this side, and curve like so on that side. And we'll fill it in later, but for now we're going to do that. Line over here. So it's kind of the bottom, that's kind of the open where Godzilla's opening his mouth over here. Up like so. Downward. And the lower area of his jaw. So let's go over here now. We're going to pull a line down, 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 down. We're putting sharp teeth in the Godzilla mouth. Curve right there for the skin, kind of when a lizard opens his mouth. Up over here. Line right there for the Luigi hat. Downward. And I want to go over here for the lower jaw, curve in, up. And then a line right here for the back of the Godzilla-like jaw. A line right there for under the neck. And we're going to throw the teeth down here now. Just regular triangles, nothing wild. Going to go over here on this side. Like so. Line over here. Fill it out. And right there. Gonna go downward right here for kind of Godzilla, the eye there. Curve. I want to give him like Luigi's eyes almost. Circle. Highlight, and then circle on the inside and fill that area dark. Let's go over here now. Nostril. Nostril. And let's find the brim of his hat. Over here, up. And up over here. Like so. But we want to draw like, there we go, the bottom part of his hat right there. Right on. Curve. Right on. Line over here. And so his neck gets bigger as it goes downward. Also, let's draw the rest of his hat. Curve. And then a little bump over here. Let's go over here for the front right here. We're going to do like a G. Let's do something like that. Like a G, right? That's like a G. And then we're going to go right here, draw a circle around it. Sweet. Line down. Line over here as well for kind of the suspender area. Line over here. Circle. Circle. Line over here. Down. And then we're going to pull a line back over there like he's throwing his arms back off the screen right there. Curve line down. And his stomach is over here. And we want to throw some spikes on Godzilla's back, right? That's what's going to give some believability there. I mean, some Godzilla believability right there. We're going to start here. Another kind of like almost like star or mountain. Looks like maybe like little explosions. Line up over there as well. Down over here. All right. And down over here. Line. Like so. Angle on the face. Curve over here. Line over here. And what we can do now is start drawing in some, well, we could draw a line on the shirt right here as well. I forgot about that. So he's like wearing that undershirt. And then draw these little curved lines for, by the way, if you like this kind of stuff, these mixtures, like hit the like button. It really helps out. I love hearing from you guys too. You can always like comment. I go live. I'll probably start doing these on live, just rando weird ones. But yeah, or really like weird designs of something like that. But yeah, definitely, it's definitely fun to do that. Gonna go out over here for his other arm. His other arm on this side. Curve over here. We're gonna do another curve, almost like a donut on his hand. Line on here, curve, and line over here. Alrighty. Line around the neck. Line the armpit. I'm gonna give him a little bit of a eyebrow under there, a la Luigi here. Maybe we'll come out the other end. And it's like fun to kind of do this, right? You can just throw random weird details, and it's like entertaining. You can fill in maybe the kind of the back pit of his mouth a little bit, like it's rolling into the other part. And if you want, you can kind of do the same thing here. All right. Curve. And you know what? We got to fill in that mustache. I forgot about that. So let's just fill that in dark. I mean, I'm going to probably leave some lines right there. Well, I guess on the bottom I'll leave a line. Because the only reason you leave a line in is to... so you could... Well, it's so that it won't completely hide the information, right? If it's butting up against another dark object, it's just going to look like a big dark wall, and you don't want that. We go here. And there you go. All right. Now we can throw, like, again, some more curved little scales, selectively around. But thanks so much. If you like this, share the video. I think it's kind of goofy and strange. Definitely share it if you can, and I will talk to you in the next video, right? Let's do it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.